You have white hair now.
You have a bigger butt now.
You checked out my butt?
Followed Milo here, curious to know what he was going on about. But it just hit me then. Milo was actually mental. He'd really lost it. I hear there's really nice places now for people like you, and you'll get the help you need. And I'll come visit you, I promise.
Are you talking about a mental institution? I'm not crazy.
Can you go a little faster?
I'm trying, but you're kind of... I don't cycle professionally, you know?
I'm kinda what, Milo?
Well, a little chunkier than I remember.
Did you just call me chunky?
No, I said chunkier. There's a subtle difference. Stop distracting me.
I don't mind you boiling some eggs.
Why should I do it? It's your house. Or is it my job because I'm a woman? I didn't know we'd traveled back to 1950.
Jeez, it's not a feminist issue.
God, men are such useless babies. Give me that, I'll do it.
I can handle boiling an egg, woman.
I don't have the energy to bicker like an old married couple. Just let me do it.
That we would ever be more than friends. But railroad boy breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something off a poster. That girl is a damn they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like...
We make a great team. You're an excellent sidekick. I'm not a sidekick, you're the sidekick. You're standing by my side, and when we first met, you kicked me. Actually, I shoved you and punched you in the face. Details, details. Nuh-uh, it was my idea. Do this. I don't have a choice. It's to protect everyone I love from Pierre.
And I'm guessing that list doesn't include me, does it?
Why would you do that, Eric?
Because he wasn't going to send the girl he loves to prison.
But what can I do? You're not capable of loving anyone anyway. I lied. That's not my weakness. Then what is it? It's you, Amanda. I've been a fan even before I met you. You're so beautiful and amazing, and it's driving me crazy because I'm just this poor boy and you're an unreachable star. That was literally the sweetest thing that I had ever heard in my life. You're really cute. No, you're cuter. So are we just gonna keep arguing about this, or are you gonna kiss me? He answered me by grabbing my face and pressing his lips against mine. Finally, I got a kissing scene, and it was magical.
So open up your heart and just let it begin.
started, so you can start tomorrow, yes?
I certainly can, Miss Marion.
Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile. Smile.
Keep forgetting I should let you go. But when you look at me, the only memory is us kissing in the moonlight.
Sorry, Magnus, you're lovely, but I don't see a future here. I don't like you enough to even think about giving up my life as a human.
And you shouldn't. You're a pretty special human. And between the two of us, Jake's the better guy. He's got a really good heart.
How do I look, Magnus?
You're stunning.
How do I look, Magnus?
You're stunning.
Didn't they tell you? She just ran away.
So beautiful, yet so heartless. Don't pat his head. I'm in love with you.
My heart skipped a beat.